Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Filecoin. In my earlier video, I was showing you that after getting rejected by a quite long-term resistance of $8.12, the price of Filecoin was testing a quite long-term support zone. And this was one of those videos. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after a successful retest of this previous resistance as support, the price and it's now geared up and now it is trying to break out the next long-term resistance of $6.36 that had been recently working as a very strong resistance here for several days or weeks. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that previously this $6.36 has been breaking as a very strong resistance here. And before that, it had been working as a resistance here and resistance here. And for a few weeks, it had been working as a resistance here as well. And this support zone that I was talking about in my previous video that I was showing you this support zone that starts from $5 and goes to $4.60 that has been previously working as a resistance zone here, support, and resistance here for several weeks and support here. And for several months, it has been working as support here as well. Therefore, I was telling you that after a successful, there is a very high probability that the price end may not break it down. And after a successful retest, we may see another price reversal from here. And now you can see that we are watching that price reversal. And in today's video, we will also analyze this previous breakout from this down channel and from this descending triangle. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. You can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report, and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup with Chili's, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. Now on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 21st of November 2024, and here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was a buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Filecoin. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, the price line of Filecoin has been moving inside this channel. And after the breakout from this channel for a few days, it had been moving inside this descending triangle as well. This was the descending triangle. And after the breakout from this triangle, we had a nice pump, but the price then got rejected by this long-term resistance of $8.12 that had been previously breaking as support here. And now after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this is a very long-term resistance, this $8.12 that had been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here in the month of January 2024 as well. Therefore, again, it worked as support and resistance here. And now we need to break it out in order to continue this rally to the upside. Recently, the price has bounced very well from this long-term support zone that I've been showing you in my so many previous videos. That starts from $5 and goes to $4.60. Now we have already hit the target for the breakout from this descending triangle, and I'm expecting that soon it can hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That target is here at the top of the channel at $11.40. And by the way, at $11.40, we have another very long-term resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $11.40 had been previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here. And this time, if the price line reaches there, then again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Filecoin. Now, here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.